The National Women's Panel heat now on Prajwal Revanna. Women's panel seeking swift action on Prajwal Revanna. In fact, the NCW writes to Karnataka top cop to nab Prajwal at the earliest. Remember, he's abroad, and you had the family of Prajwal Revanna, in fact, saying that he had a pre-planned visit and therefore he has left the country. There's yet no confirmation on exactly where he is. Some say that he's in Frankfurt, but we're waiting for a confirmation on that. Will he come back to India? And how soon would that be? The National Commission for Women strongly condemning these allegations against Prajwal Revanna, who's an MP from Hassan. In fact, the sexual abuse allegations are quite gory. Those videos are now immensely viral, and the man has left the country. These events, according to the Women's Commission, endanger women's safety and perpetuate a culture of violence. And that letter clearly asking for Prajwal Revanna to be brought back and arrested at the earliest. In fact, they say that suo motu cognizance has been taken into the matter, and a letter has also been sent to the DGP Karnataka demanding swift action from those authorities to apprehend Prajwal Revanna and submit a detailed report within 3 days' time. I'm cutting across to Anagha Keshav, joining us from ground. Anagha, we know that Prajwal Revanna isn't in the country. You have the National Women's Commission now demanding that he be arrested at the earliest. Without a delay, they've given 3 days' time for action to be taken and a report to be filed.
Well, that's right, Nabila. You know, just a short while back, the NCW has tweeted stating that in just 3 days, a detailed report must be filed outlining the measures taken so far in Prajwal Revanna's case. Has the Karnataka's department done enough to sort of find out and collate evidences? How far has the investigation come along? So all these details has been sought by the National Commission for Women. And as we speak, I'm exactly at the private hotel where the JDS core committee meeting is going on. In fact, Kumaraswamy has just stepped out. We're all waiting for him to address that crucial press meet in just a short while from now. He is going to reveal if Prajwal Revanna is indeed ousted from the party. Is he going to be suspended or expelled? When is he going to return to return back to India from Frankfurt? All these details are yet to be watched out for. But in just a short while from now, Nabila, H.D. Kumaraswamy, the party supremo of JDS, is going to give out that much-awaited crucial decision that has been pressing for so long as to if Prajwal Revanna is really going to be ousted or expelled from the party. All these details will be out in just a short while from now.